Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we're on the day number 6 of our batch, and we are going to be discuss further part of platform navigation. And I saw that you have completed your homework. I'll pick up that, but later, not today, might be tomorrow. Okay, sharing my screen. So now, what we discussed till now about the platform, we discussed about banner frame, content frame, application navigator, and we were on the this side. Okay, so when I say this side means we are talking about global search we done, scoping we done, and next part that is called the sidebar, this thing. Okay, and this work when a agent want to chat with any other user or any other agent from a service now itself. So I can say, I can call this is the internal chat communication or the message communication for the agent to the user. But how it works? So you can go here and click on the all and new discussion. So let's say I want to talk to Aniri. Sorry. Batch 18, I want to talk to Aniri. And I want to talk to Bhavya. Right. Hi both and private discussion. Now what will happen if you open your instance? Sorry, if you log into my instance, Aniri or Bhavya, and if you can see a pop-up like this and you can see something on the top. Can you reply me back if anybody is logging? Or what I can do, I can impersonate any one of you.
Yes, I
This
can see that notification.
okay, wait, let me Aneri and you can see. Now she can reply back here. Which means we can talk to any other agent or any other user who is in service now via internal chat option. So now if I connect, go back to my profile, you can see this option here. So this is what is there, but this is not the only purpose. Atul, I want to be talk to the caller of a incident. Then open the incident and just click on the discuss button. Here, discuss. यहाँ तो caller खाली है. Let me put the caller here. Okay. So now if I click on the discuss button here, this button automatically pick up the incident number, subject as a short description, and then you can add a participant. And you can start. So new chat will be discussed. The only option part is that instead of going here, a user can open the record directly from here itself. See, like this one. Okay. So this is what about this sidebar. Now, if you have any question, you want to know a little bit more about ServiceNow ecosystem, then you can click on this show help and you can browse the documentation of ServiceNow. ServiceNow doc site, which we call as a, you can click on this and you can reach to the ServiceNow docs and you can search it here. Check. Now, this thing. This part I will skip as of now because we have a dedicated topic called the email and notification. And then this topic will be coming to the picture mainly because that is related to that particular part. Okay. So if you click here, a user can see if any email is sent to a user, not the chat, email, then it will show the numbers here. Now I'm coming to the user profile, which is important. Every user is different in ServiceNow. That's for sure. And if I talk about the girls or the female, they prefer to customize their system very much. What this mean? Sorry. Sorry. What this mean that little bit different colors, a different kind of a font kind of stuff people required. So in the user preferences, the first part is that Atul, I want to be see my own profile. Instead of going here, click all, click user admin, and then user search, you can click here and go to the profile. This is what is the profile of a system admin. But Atul, we filled a lot of things, right? हमने तो बहुत कुछ देखा था, user ID, first name, last name, a lot. That is called the view. If you see, the view is here, self-service view. View is something, I'll not go in much of the depth as of now. The view is something which you want a user can see a limited things. Like if I take example, let's say you are watching a movie, okay, or okay, let's take another example. Let's say you want to buy a furniture or the sofa set. Okay, what you do? You go to the showroom, furniture showroom, and now that shopkeeper or the showroom person show you the things in the different perspective. Like he can say, ma'am, this is what the catalog, you can go and see it. Or might be he can take you on the tour, ma'am, let's come with me and I can show you something more. And he will show you only the related stuff which you're going to be looking for. In the same manner, view means it is a perspective, it is the visibility of the field that I don't want to be show many fields to you. So now if you see here, I have this particular Excel sheet. I want to show only you the attendance sheet. But in this particular Excel sheet, I have one more sheet called the fees, which I don't want to show you. It means I want to hide this from your view. Same perspective is applicable here. So if I go back here and click on the view, these many views are given by ServiceNow for the different purpose. Click on the default view. Now you can see, yes, This is what I did when I was creating a user. I saw this particular field or these many particular fields. These are called the views. Okay. So a user can see his profile by this. Now the preferences. This is the important. Preferences means number one, ServiceNow is a more user-friendly platform and it allow user to customize. I not say the customize, sorry, not the customize. I say that it allow a user to change the instance as per their need from the preferences perspective. Example, I show you one example like this. Let's say incident open. Now, if I ask you, hey, Bray, do you like this format? हाँ तो अच्छा है ये format. Scroll कम करना पड़ता है, but or might be this way. हाँ, it is easy. But Jugendra said, no, no, Atul, I don't like this. I want a full page, notes, related list, this thing. Go here, preferences, hide it. Come back here and reload. There you go. Because it is a preference. I, as an admin login, I change the preference. It will not impact anybody else until as you change the view. Then load it related list within the classic form. Let's say I want on demand. What this mean? So now if you notice that, see related list, unless you will not click, it will not show. So that's called the on demand. Some people don't want to be show it. Unnecessary scrolling होता है नहीं मुझे पसंद नहीं I don't want. I don't like it. So this is the preferences. Under this few more preferences are there. Use compact spacing. I'll open this one because I like this way. Use compact. So now if you notice, if I go back here, incident and click on the all or open. See, the spacing is little tight. If I remove this, you can see the changes. ये देखो, spacing little wide. Show help tips on the form. Okay, homework for today. Who will take a homework? Okay, Jugender, take the homework for today. Okay.
Yeah,
The first homework. These things are easy. Show help tips on the form. Give a try to this preference that how it's work. Easier. Now you know the minimum navigation. This is let me tell you. Now, if you notice this, let me open this in a new tab. What is the difference between this form, this page and this page? क्या difference है दोनों में? Anybody? What is the difference between these two pages? This page and this page?
navigation. This is a list page.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it's presently, this is a list page. List of all instance. That is the form page.
Okay.
The,
Okay. Vignesh, go ahead and share. After the share, I'm due.
So this page is where all the incidents which were created we
Mm-hmm.
can see at a time. And the second page is that any particular incident where we have to change something or we have to apply according to the customer,
ठीक
we
है.
edit on that.
ठीक है. What other difference? Yes, Shriram, go ahead, please. Okay, good, good. Let me show you something more to be show you more as the difference. अच्छा अब बताओ दोनों पेज में क्या डिफरेंस है दिस पेज एंड दिस पेज नंबर दिस पेज नंबर दिस क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों पेजेस में द डिफरेंस इज दैट
On the second page, you cannot go like directly on the home page, and like we don't have the service now option on the left hand side.
Yep.
So we cannot search anything. In this page, we can check only incidents, nothing else.
right it means on the first on second page we don't have the banner frame right this is coming from this property so if I open you can see the navigation open here so these are small things which we can see the this particular part again go back to the preferences check about this feature disable it and enable you will find the difference these two give a try okay take a note of this part of Jogendra theme how many of you like the dark theme Atul I like it click on the dark theme see now the question will come Atul can we create our own color theme as well yes you can create there's a module called the theme builder you can use that and you can create your own themes as well see I personally don't like the dark theme see so I can pick up and if you will create your own themes it will be displayed here fourth question for today Jogendra explore the theme builder and try to be create one theme for your purpose in my instance you can do it it is easy to do easy to build just what you have to do go to theme builder and follow the instructions put the name color and everything then see what is be happening in your theme because this is a PDA so it is easy to mess up with this particular PDI now come back here accessibility mainly this particular feature is introduced for the people who are a special one or who has the accessibility needs so this particular page or this particular option is mainly for those users here showing the like a pattern of the graphs kind of things or in the table from the charts and the graphs this is what is option for them but it doesn't mean Atul cannot be used you can use that as well that's totally fine but this has been built for the accessible person like this thing you can see easily show date and time format on the forms you can try it no problem now the notifications Again, I'll skip this part because we have a dedicated topic, but just to give you overview. Sometime I don't want to receive special kind of emails. Atul, I want to receive only the emails where I am the approver, or I want to just get an email for the change request approval, not for the request item. Can we hide it? Yes, 100%. So you can see here either you disallow every type of notification. And it is a user specific. I'm saying if you disable this, user will not get any kind of a notification in his or her mailbox. It doesn't mean that email will not trigger. Email will still trigger, but it will not go into the user inboxes. More about this we will discuss when we go for the email notification. But remember that this has some relationship with this. So that is one. Then debugging. If you're a developer, then you can use this option to debug your script, to use some automatic page inspector kind of things. Or if you remember that you see this option in your user profile. Time zone date. I can set as a user, I can change my time zone and language. I want to show like this. And my time zone is 0 London. So if you want, you can change it. So what this mean? If I go and open like incident, and if you can see about 18 minutes ago. This is what is coming because the property is unable. So if I go and remove this, ये देखो अब नहीं आ रहा, right? Because we means I as a user disable this property for my particular user. So you can do it as per your requirement and user experience. Now, if you notice that whenever we log in, we landed on this particular page always. But if you want, you can set that page as well. Go and pick up what page you want. Default page, dashboards, page I am now might be. I just click on the home page or I just log in back. I can go back to the same page where I left out. Last file left only. So these are the few user, I lost the preference properties, but yes, in the background, these are properties only. But these are the few specific user preferences which you as a user can use and navigate this platform. Doubt, question, clarification till this point. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. One is like in the chat, how we use Teams and other stuff. In this chat also, can we share the screen or only the chat?
No, it is only a chat, and Teams you need to be integrate service now with the MS Team, not this option.
Okay. The second question is like when you open the incident list, and you clicked on the first incident, it opened in a new tab. So how that can be, because when I tried, it was getting open, but in the same tab.
You mean like this way in the chat only, right?
No, no, not chat, not chat.
Okay,
And
from the list view.
yeah,
Okay, that is, then you have to do command plus right click. It open another window. There's no other shortcut. There's no other way. So it's like a normal keyboard usage. Command. I'm on the MacBook. Just to be let you know. Command plus this thing. Arrow key. Sorry. If I come back here to show you. So I'm click command now. I can't show you, and right click on this and it will be on the new window. Normal browser option, you can choose it like this. If you do like this, then you have to be, you will not go to, you will not get any option by default, because these are
okay.
the options of the service now itself. So you will not get any option called the open a new tab something, no. Or you can click on this eye icon and click on the open record. Clear,
Got it.
Sheena?
Yes,
Okay, good. Yes, go ahead. It's early web, right?
Vikram.
Sorry, Vikram, go ahead, please.
No, I asked my questions.
Okay, Shriram, your question. Okay, no question.
So as I'm seeing that you have certain incidents already created on your incident view, but I am already logging in my account and there is no incidents on that page. Why is that like that, sir?
You mean you are logging in MyPDI only?
Yes, sir.
Which user? By your name, your the username Shriram or some other user?
By my name, Sri Ram only.
You must able to see. Go to all, click on the incident and click on the open or all or resolved. You can see all the list view here like this. You will definitely able to see, man, because this is a demo data which come when we procure the ServiceNow instance.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so if this has been done, now I come to the this one, list view, form view, global search. Global search हो गया, list view we'll discuss now and little bit on the search part. ठीक है. Now this is my list view. In this list view, if I tell to Priya, I need to be know how many incidents are the priority one and how many are assigned to service group. What you can do? First, I say how many are the priority one. Now there's the multiple options to search it. One, come here and click on the priority and sort it. अब तो sort हुआ, but numbers, right click, show matching. If you click on the show matching, it will display only and only all the incident which is a P1. But did you notice one thing? You're doing the work in the list view, but the condition is getting built automatically. In this priority, I want to know how many are the in progress. Right click, show matching. See, condition is getting built automatically. No, Atul, I want In overall, I want to be see how many the in progress. अब क्या कर रही तो गड़बड़ हो गई. Then go back here and click on the arrow key if you want to remove any condition. Now you can see total 27 records which are in the in progress. So if I come on the all, I want to see that how many incidents are in which state. Right click, group by. In progress 77, sorry, new 77, in progress 27, on hold 7, 1 and 58. Or so if you see this kind of if you are able to do this, you will see these kind of things. The box, which means that on this filter there is a on this attribute there is a filter has been applied called the group by state. Now I don't want to go for the group by state. And group. Atul, I want to see only incidents. Sorry, out of these incidents, I don't want to see priority 1 incidents. Then right click, filter out. It will remove these incidents from this list now. Okay. One more thing. Let me remove this. Now the question come, and few more things you can experiment on this particular part. Now you can see I have only these many fields, but on the incident table there are many fields available. How to add more fields? Click on gear icon, add which field you want to be added. Double click. Remove which you want to be removed. And this is a personalized change. Clear? This is a personalized change. It is not going to impact anybody else user. So if might be Bhavya, Aneri, Jogendra, anybody log in, he or she can see the fields which are available earlier. Okay. So you can remove, you can add, and then you can this thing. Now another homework for you guys to be more explore the search on the list view. Now Priya put a question, Atul, I want to see the records where the short description starts with email word. Sometimes it's required. So you can go here and put, if it is a start, then put a percentage and email. Sorry, percentage. If you my bad. If you put percentage, it will say end, ending with the ending at the end. So email word at the end now. No, Atul, I want to see all the short description where email word contains in anywhere in the short description. Then put asterisk. And notice something. See, condition builder has been changed now. So you can do. Can I download these records in Excel sheet? Another exercise for you. Now, one more point. Is it the only way to do the filtration? No. Click on this funnel icon. This is called the funnel icon. I'm again repeating this is funnel icon because this is one of the important component which can be asked in the CSA exam. Click on the funnel icon and you can see all the fields on which you want to put a query. Short description. And this is called the condition builder. Field name, operator, and value. Short description starts with need and tick. Go back here. This filter, sorry, I'm sorry, not filter, operator. This operator is differently behave for the different type of fields. Jesse, I'm giving just examples. You can try it. I want to see all the records which is created in the last 2 weeks. Click on okay, remove this and create it. देखो इसमें start with नहीं है. On, not on, before, at, before, after, between, trend, relative, and these things will be there. So it means for the dates, the operators are the different. Where if I change this one to the other one, category. See, if I change this to the short description or might be description. See, so different operator is available for the different type of field data type. तो data type क्या है? We'll pick up it tomorrow when we go for the table level discussion. Now, Priya again put a question. Atul, chalo theek hai. I agree with you that I work only on the incident where priority is P1. And I always need this thing. That I want to see only and only records which are in the where the priority is P1. Do I need to do this exercise every day? Go to incident, search for this. Cannot I make it favorite? Yes, you can. Click on the create favorite. And I can give name here. Priya P1 incident. And now you can go here. You can see filter, not here. It's okay. Sorry, let's save this. And now you can put the save as here. Sorry, it's my bad. It's favorite. So favorite will become show here. देखो ये रहा. But if you want to show this filtration in this part, यहाँ पर, then you have to do Priya P11 like this. To whom you want to show it? प्रिया से तो सबको नहीं बस मुझे दिखाओ नहीं सबको दिखाते हैं. Click everyone. It means now every user who has access for this particular table or this particular view can see it. Save. Now, if either Bhavya, Jugender, Abdul, anybody log in to the incident, they can go here and they can see this option because Priya shared this with everybody. Now click on this. You are here, or click on this. You are here. Easy to go. Atul, I am a functional guy. I don't remember these fields created by and other things. Give me a little more easy way. Click on this one. And this is called the natural language filter. And you can write your query in the normal English as well. Sometimes it works, sometimes it didn't work for me. Priority is urgent. Ask. See. This is sometimes it works, sometimes it did not work for me. I have no idea that why. But if I run this, priority is critical. And then ask. As I say, not sure that why it's not working for me, but if you write something in the normal English, it can help you to do this particular part. So you can give a try for the this thing, or I can say, let's say click on the all. Just last option I'm saying. Short description contains need. See, we write it easy, but still it's not be finding it. I have no clue why it's not working for me. Okay. Then you can see here. If you want to personalize your list. So that is for the some utility part. Leave it, no problem. Okay. Clear everybody up to this point. Doubt, question, clarification. Okay, you can search it from here as well. But limited fields. Yes, and doubt, question, clarification. So add these points as well, Jugender, for the practice. Everybody need to be create minimum 2 or 3 favorites, 2 or 3 these options called the filter. Try to be change the navigation, sorry, the sequence of this thing, add according to your need, put a filtration condition, and definitely create minimum, not minimum, okay, create 5 filter condition, one on the short description, one on the opened, one on the caller, one on the priority, and one on the state. Try different operators. Or let me give you one more homework. I want a list of records which get created between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. I want to see a list which of the other incident which get created between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Which filter will be used? I have no idea. Here to be seen. Clear, everybody? No doubt? Good. Now let me come back here. So we done this part as well. List view, Form view we'll discuss when we go for the table, then we'll discuss the form view. Global search, filter, sidebar, we have done this particular part. Content frame, this is all done. Okay, form view I'll pick it up. User menu. Why is not sure darking? चलो ठीक है ऐसे कर लेते हैं, that's still better. ठीक है. Now let me talk about the data. Important part. And let me wait, let me stop sharing for a minute and they'll come back. This thing. Chalo. I'll share my screen again now. Yes, Bhavna, go ahead. Sorry, I missed out. Go ahead for your question.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Okay, so you told me that to get the filter on the priority, we just have to click on the three dots, right?
Yes, let me share my screen again. This one, right?
No, the priority one. You told the B1 if we wanted to make a filter. Yeah.
Yes.
So just click on the three dots and you will get the result. What are you are looking for,
No,
right?
no. You have to go here in the funnel icon. If you want to go more deep dive in the filter conditions.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, that these are very small things, but these are quick wins for a user.
Okay, so how did you get the search bar on the bottom? Where is the yeah, this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Just click on this. It will hide, and click on this. It will show.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Good. Yes, Shriram. Go ahead.
So previously on the short description, you mentioned as a star sign email.
Yep.
And it showed that all over the records which are actually starting with the letter email, and after that you have mentioned as a percentage sign and email, and it showed that the whatever the records which are created which are ending with the word email.
No.
Same condition we can apply.
No. When I put the star, it says it contains anywhere in the short description. So if I show you something here like this, if I put asterisk email, but it's saying
Short
contains.
contains email. Yes.
Contains. If I remove this and put percentage, what it says?
Short description ends with email.
Ends with. Now if I remove this and put at the last, now what this?
The short description starts with email.
Correct. So these mainly these two are the which we use in service now. These are the wild characters which we use to search the required field or required stuff in our ServiceNow platform. Okay, generally, as I say, I use asterisk so that I know that this is what is this. But if you have some specific pattern of your short description, then you can use, even though you can use right click, show matching. But इसका match होगा ही नहीं. अगर same instance will not be there, it will not get the match, because show matching means it will search for the whole line. देखो इस पर डेट पे show matching भी है. But do you think that it will work? No. क्यों? क्योंकि it will go up to second levels. Very rare that you will get the two incident on the same time stamp, including a seconds. But if you see right click here, there is no group by.
Yes, sir.
One more thing, put in the homework. You can right click on date field, right click on non-date field, and see this option like bar charts, VTB, and these things. Give a try that what the results you are getting from these options. Clear Shriram now or doubt?
Sir, the same condition is applied on the filter icon as well, right?
From here you can say you are saying
Yes, sir.
no, number one, it's not a filter, it's funnel.
Yes, sir. Funnel icon.
Yes,
There.
yes. So see, it is there already. So
Yes.
system already built the condition for you.
Okay. Sir.
So either you can so if I remove this, either you can go and build it by yourself and short description ends with email. Up to you. You want to put and or up to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that you can use it. Now the next important part, data. Data is key for everybody. Everybody is looking for the data. You're getting spam messages, home loan, this, that. This is also data because someone from somewhere your data is released to some other third party vendor who's using your phone numbers and sending you the messages. From your browser history, from your Netflix history, from your Amazon history, I can see that what type of content you like most. From your Myntra shopping clicks, from your Nika shopping clicks, I can see that what type of cosmetic, what type of outfit you like most. What's that? All about data. Everybody say that AI is coming, AI is there. How I can use the AI in a proper format? It's totally based on the data. If data is good, I can build a lot of better and good pattern to find out the stuff. But why we are discussing data? Are we going to be discussing about the AI? No. The purpose of this discussion, when we talk about the data, there are two type of data in ServiceNow. Foundation and transactional. Foundation and transactional. Difference is major. To run your house, if you are a married man or woman, you know that to run a house, there are few foundation things are required. Minimum a bed, minimum bedding, a sofa, minimum a kitchen, minimum a washroom. Not a fancy one, but at least you need a minimum viable product, I can say, the washroom which is able to use it. And important part, we need human being to stay or live in that house. That is foundation data. For our life, our core values, our religion, our sanskar, our thoughts are the foundation data. It means foundation data is the one which is required to run a process, which is required to run a system, which is required to run a platform. If you remove the people from the house, it will be house, not a home. Right? This is what we say in Hindi, right? घर लोगों से बनता है, अगर लोग निकल जाएंगे तो घर नहीं होता वो. Same thing is applicable. Why? Why it is not the called as a ghar again? Because the foundation has been removed. The people has been removed. To run a platform, there is a need of the foundation data. If I tell you one thing, if I show you something, age and gender, male and female, gender 31, 32. Now, what is the wrong bit in these two values? What is wrong in these two values? Tell me. Unmute and speak, no problem, if you can.
It should be like in age, it should be number, and in gender, it should be male or female.
क्यों? Tell me
Because
why.
age, we cannot measure with the male and female. It should be in the numbers only.
Because it was never teach us that age can be male and female. It is always teach to us that a male and female is a gender always. Right? This is what you want to be say, right? Right. This is what you want to be say that अतुल क्योंकि हमें बताया नहीं गया कभी कि
Yeah, true.
gender can be numbers as well. It is always told to us that gender always be a male and female.
Yes.
Why? Because this is our foundation. Now, by seeing the foundation data, you are able to question the process. Why, Atul, this number is like male, female? So, in our system, when we implement service now for any of our client, this foundation data matter a lot. Now, I just put these two fields and you put the question to me, Atul, why gender is male and sorry, gender is number and age is male, female. Atul, गलत है ये, right? Because if you will put the wrong foundation data in the platform, your process will be definitely going to be collapsed in a very soon manner. So now if I say, hey guys, give me the gender which are male, but आप स्टोर क्या करो जेंडर में 31, 32 और एज में स्टोर करो मेल एंड फीमेल, अतुल कैसे रिपोर्ट बनेगी? Possibly it's not possible that I can get this report for you. Report is not wrong. The data is wrong actually here. अतुल एक काम करते हैं, इसको चेंज कर देते हैं. इसको कर दो जेंडर और इसको कर दो एज. अब बताओ, इज इट फाइन नाउ? Is it fine now? 100% fine. Okay, now you can easily get the male and female because you know that gender is the one field which store the male and female. What you guys created in the last 2 days, user and group, those are the foundation data. Those are the foundation data. In our platform, we have a location. देखो, we have a department. ये रहे. We have a users. We have a group. These are my foundation data. If I need to be raise a incident, अब देखो इंसिडेंट रेज करना, अगर मैं यहां पर कुछ दो ही नहीं कॉलर, कैन यू रेज इंसिडेंट? कैन यू गाइस रेज इंसिडेंट? If I did not give any option, sorry,
No, because that field is mandatory.
ठीक है मैंडेटरी तो ठीक है, what doesn't matter. But even though it's not mandatory, what's your name? Tell me who was speaking. What's your name?
Priya.
Priya. Why your name is Priya? So that we can recognize that there is a girl, her name is
Yeah.
Priya, and you need to be call her Priya only.
Yeah. For
Why I can
identification.
why I cannot call you OAEAR? Because this can be anybody, right?
Yes.
So now your name is Priya, might be if you're married, your husband name is someone. If you have kids, your kid's name is something, right? So
Yeah.
this is the foundation data. There are many E, A, R, U in this world. We called OA. OA is not a foundation data. Okay, OA say you can't identify that what to whom you're calling it. If you go to any place, might be in a shopping mall, might be a in hospital, might be school admission. What say, sir or ma'am, what's your good name? So that they can identify you. So these are called the foundation data. So what you created in today's, you created the foundation data. Now same thing you have to be do now again. Now I'm giving you few tables. And Jogendra, have a note of this one. Department, location, and I can say, let me see if I have something. Countries. Okay, group will be done, user will be done, and business unit. Okay. Everybody need to be create minimum 4 or 5 or and company. Create 4 or 5 record of each these type with the naming convention. For every record you have to put the naming convention underscore batch 18. Okay, create 5 departments, put any name of the department, legal, finance, kitchen department, basketball department, any department you put, I have no issues. But at the end, underscore batch 18. You are creating your foundation data. This is what you're able to see here. This is your transactional data. Any respected woman who is married here? This is just for a few questions. Okay, no problem. Pratik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Pratik is one who is married and having 2 daughters, right? Now, being a father, Pratik know that to run the family, he need a minimum house, clothes for family, but he know that he cannot keep the grocery every time fill in the boxes. He brings some fruit, but he cannot keep that fruit for the years and years. He brings some dry fruit, he cannot keep for the years because those are consumable. आ जाए कल खत्म हो जाएंगे. Those are my transactional data. कल बेटे के नहीं डैड आई वांट टू बी ईट चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम. ठीक है, he will go and get it the one box of the chocolate ice cream. 2 दिन में खाया, खत्म हो गया, फिनिश हो गया. That is my transactional data. Transactional data is one which get created by or using the foundation data. घर में फ्रिज है तभी वो आइसक्रीम आ रही है बिकॉज दैट इज मस्ट कि अगर आपके पास फ्रिज नहीं है तो ऑल द आइसक्रीम विल गेट मेल्टेड. So the purpose of this topic is to tell you that when we speak about the data specifically in this class, I am talking about the foundation data. ठीक है. Foundation data is the key for any kind of implementation. And why I added this topic, it was not earlier. Means earlier means in last 2-3 batches was there, but not before that. Reason being because this was one of the questions has been asked to me in the interview. You want to be implement a service now for your customer. Where, from where, and how you will start the things. So foundation data tell me that what type of values a user going to be stored. Okay, we'll discuss this topic more in between our other days as well, but the base has been set for you that what is the foundation data, and now you have to be create more foundation data. So I give the 5 different tables, go and create the data in that 5. So again 23 people are there, 5 each, so more than 100 I will get records easily. Doubt, question, clarification.
Yes, sir. So, like, in the weekend homework, there was a thumb rule like we need to create group and then assign a role and then we need to add a user to it. Uh, in today's homework also, is there any thumb rule like we need to create
No,
like companies or
no. Up to you. Anything you can
okay.
create it. Don't worry. That's totally fine. Yes, Jogender, please go ahead.
Abdul, one clarification here for data point of view. You mentioned two data. One is transactional data and foundational data.
Right.
The foundational data, which is the um, unique and like users, groups, and these roles, and these are the foundation data, right?
Right.
So base using that foundation data, you can run the transaction like incident, problem, change
Yes.
management.
Yes.
Okay, coming to that point here, if you want to develop or create any tables in our service now, right?
Mm-hmm.
That time you are using the foundational data and the transactional data.
No.
No, okay. Based
Table
on
means
what purpose, based on what data we can create the tables and these
no,
are
no,
the
no, 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 no. Table, just hold for one more day. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing the tables only. Okay. But tables is not based on the data.
okay.
Table is mainly used, sorry, table is mainly created on the base of the business case. That
Correct.
what value I want to be hold it. Let's
Mm.
say you're going for a picnic.
Mm.
Okay, and you're booking the railway ticket. Okay. You are putting your name, your address, passenger 1, passenger 2, passenger 3. Passenger 1, you have to put the gender. Passenger 2, you have to put the gender. Passenger 3, you have to put the gender. Is railways asking that are your passengers are having a pension or not?
No,
No. Why? Because they have no relationship with that. Instead of they're asking that are your passengers a senior citizen or not?
no, they will not ask.
They will ask only senior citizen or not because might be they have to give the discount on that your category.
Right.
So it is depend that what is a business case, and in that business case we will see that what table we have to create and what field we have to put it there. There is a homework behind that as well. Don't worry.
Okay.
अभी तो वो कहता है ना if everybody is able to understand the हिंदी अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है अभी तो देखो आगे आगे क्या क्या होता है ये तो ट्रेलर है शुरू शुरू के तो ट्रेलर हैं अभी देखना गो अहेड भावना प्लीज
Actually, the previous homework I was having the issue with the roles. So, do you have a time to discuss it now?
yes we can discuss it but before
Okay.
that anybody has any other question Okay, go ahead, Bhavna.
Okay, so as we know that we cannot assign the roles directly to users because it's
See,
not a
no,
best.
no, 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 no. We can assign, but we should not do it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So like I created the users and I
Okay,
created the group, and after that I
okay,
just assigned the role to groups.
ठीक है.
Is the right process, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That is the right process. Create group, create user, add the user in the group, and give the role to the group only.
Yeah, so whenever I'm trying to assign in the sum of them, I can show there are a lot of numbers in a group and most of them only the single number. So I'm literally confused.
Can you give me the user or the group name?
Yeah.
ऐसे क्वेश्चन ग्रुप में पूछा करो. बहुत सारे हमारे यहाँ पे इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं, कुछ ना कुछ आंसर मिलेगा.
मैंने पूछा था सर,
बोलो.
किसी ने मुझे
What is
हेल्प
the
दी.
user? What is the user name?
I'm also looking at. So you can check with the Neil demo batch 18 and the group name is Legends demo batch.
What is the, sorry, what is the username?
Username is Neil, Neil.
This one, right?
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. Yes. So you added in the Legion demo batch. Okay. Go here. And what role you have given? Let's see. You have given only one service admin,
Yeah.
right? And now you're confused that why 6 roles are there.
Yeah.
Very good. What you done in this particular part investigation? Tell me.
Actually, I just went to group and was just trying to assign by the role the service desk, although I didn't get that role specific the service desk, so I assigned to service admin. So I got all these six
Ah,
roles.
very good. What do you think, guys? She give only one role, but a user can see 6 role and user part of only one group. And this group have
Inherit,
only one role. Sorry?
inherit, inherit from other roles.
Perfectly fine. Do one thing, Bhavna.
Mhm,
Open this role. Okay.
mhm,
As I click on the service admin and open these role again and means role have another roles as well.
Okay.
So if you click on this, so we are on the service admin, it says so now simple thing. If I give example, I'm not sure that you are married or not. Let me or you have kids or not. But when you become mother,
Mhm,
so mother contain a role of a wife. Wife
mhm,
contain a role of a daughter. ठीक है? If you are a mother, it means people say that she is daughter of someone and she is the wife of someone.
Okay.
Role containment. So same thing is there. So service admin contain service author. तो पहली चीज तो क्लियर होगी सर्विस ऑथर यहाँ से आ रहा है.
Mhm,
ठीक है? Now deep dive. सर्विस ऑथर कंटेन सर्विस एडिटर. चलो ये भी क्लियर हो गया हमें.
mhm,
अगेन गो डीप डाइव. सर्विस व्यूअर तीसरा भी हो गया. गो वन मोर लेवल. CMDB रीड 4. अब नहीं है बस 4. बाकी बचे ये दो कहां से आ रहे हैं. एक तो सर्विस एडमिन इटसेल्फ हो गया और कौन सा रह गया हमारा. हो तो गए सारे. हाँ हो गए राइट पूरे. तो वो सो देयर इज अ पर्पस बिहाइंड दैट. नाउ instead of saying that you are a daughter, you are daughter-in-law, you are a wife and you are a mother, people say you are a mother. It means by saying the mother, it all clear that you are married, you are
mhm.
daughter of someone, and you are daughter of someone, daughter-in-law for someone, some other family, and you have a husband as well. तो ये चीजें आपको धीरे धीरे तब क्लियर होंगी when you go more in the deep type level. And a good question, no doubt, it's a good question. I think everybody should have this question that Atul, I give only one role, that why am I user getting 100 of roles? I give you only one role, right? Let's say I pick up your profile or my profile. This user just have a one group, team developer admin code, and has only one role. But still, this user can see 174 rows. Inheritance. Put Jogendra this question to everybody. So in your Excel sheet, which you created and sent in the chat, mention that when you give a role to a user, how many extra roles are it's coming. Put the number of that roles in your Excel sheet. Clear, Bhavna, now?
Yeah.
Right. Any other question, anybody?
Can you repeat the question, please?
In your Excel sheet, you have to be mentioned that the user which you created in the last week, how many roles a user are getting from one single role.
Okay.
Good. I'll say that it's a good question and it is expected question as well. Okay. Any other doubt?
So could you please add my ID to that parent LNG batch 18?
It's already there. I check it, Priya.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
So you can go here. You can open. Arre, yeah, that day I saw Priya, right? Let me add, no problem then. Is it? Are you sure? Do you have the update set as well, Priya?
Yes, I have done the homework also.
But it's not showing your name here. Let me go and check it from here. Local update set. Because I saw. No, it's a Priya Darshan, not yours. Oh, you created for the
Priya,
Priya Darshan.
yes, I have created for Priyadarshan. Somebody else created my ID, but they forgot to put me in that parent.
No, 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 wrong, wrong, wrong. Update set you have to be created by your own.
No, no. If you see this
See,
Priyadarshan thing, I have created.
so this is yours one. Is this Priya Darshan batch 18 created by you?
Yes. We had to create for the next person, right? The name and
Only name, not the update set.
oh, okay.
So you created the update set as well. No, update set is like your own container, which will
Okay.
hold your stuff, not anybody else's stuff. So
Okay.
are you using this in your update set here?
I'm just logging in with Priya underscore batch 18 and it.
No, 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 Priya, Priya, wait, wait, wait. Login is one thing. Okay. See, like you can see my update set here, like LNG CSA batch 18.
Yes,
Are you able to see Priyadarshan underscore batch 18 here?
I will have to
Login.
check for morning.
Yes. If not, then open this and make it as a current,
Okay, sure.
and then you can see it. Okay.
Okay, sure.
But no problem. Normal issues, I can say. Expected issues
Okay.
as well. Okay.
Okay.
Jay, let me,
So,
please go ahead, Vaibhav.
sorry to interrupt. I have my this
Update set.
update set, yeah, but the weekend homework I did in this LNG 18 group.
No, no, no. Again, see, LNG18 is a parent. अगर वो अभी भी, if you're not going to be add now, no problem, I'll edit later as well, but make sure your update set should be display here only with your name.
ओके
That is more important.
ओके। तो मैंने अभी तक जो काम किया वो LNG CSA बैच 18 दिखा रहा था।
नहीं ना, ये गलत किया ना फिर. That is
ओके
my container. That is my container. So you have
ओके।
to be
तो
use your container now.
तो वहां पे मुझे अपना सेलेक्ट करके फिर आगे जो मुझे
Yes.
काम करना। ओके सॉरी।
Yes. From tomorrow you can, or from today onward you can use your update set.
गॉट इट।
ठीक है.
हाँ
Good. Surely let me stop recording now and take you quick attendance.